The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Hope you are well. Happy Friday. I've had to tweak the weekend forecast a little bit. I have kind of massaged it up to summertime levels. You'll see what I'm talking about in just a moment. Well, let me set the table this way. Yesterday, the dew point was in the 50s. That's nice. Tomorrow, the dew points will be back in the 70s. That's normal life around here in the summertime. So today is the transition day. My instrument's right on the roof right now at 4:15 telling me that the dew point is 64. Higher than yesterday. So anyway, today's the transition day. We'll talk about the better rain chances that start to evolve in the forecast as well. Oh, by the way, better rain chances are good. Did you see the new Drought Monitor map that came out yesterday? This caught my attention. Take a look at this. Notice for the first time now, the yellow area, abnormally dry, as far south as Montgomery and Selma and Lake Martin. Moderate drought covering most of North Alabama. Severe drought, Northeast Alabama. The trends are not good. We need some rain. Notice the dew points now, 57 Birmingham, 63 Montgomery. The transition, 70 down on the coast. So those higher dew points are going to be evolving northward as that frontal system that you see on the coast starts to move northward, so the summer muggies will be back. For today, you see the best rain chances down near the coast, near that northward moving warm front. So we'll say the rain chances are not zero today. This is future radar through late afternoon into early evening. There'll be a few blips on the radar, but your chances of seeing a shower, not very good. I'll have them like around 10% today, 20% tomorrow, 30% on Sunday. But that moisture is moving northward, so mostly sunny, hot today. The dew points will be in the low 60s today with a high around 96. Tonight's low 70. Southeast winds at 4 to 8 miles per hour. And on Saturday, it's going to be a humid day. All the summer humidity's back. Spotty afternoon storms, but the rain coverage a little bit better on Sunday at about 30%. Again, they'll be random in nature, so you could get a shower. Maybe some of you will not. Scattered afternoon storms Monday. I think by Monday afternoon and into especially Tuesday and Wednesday, the rain chances start to get a little bit better. About a 40% chance in the afternoon and evening hours. Now, as we look at the temperatures for the next few days, I think I have the lows on the left side a little too low. They should be in the low to mid-70s. But we're talking about mid-90s over the weekend with more humidity. 20% chance of storms Saturday, 30% chance Sunday, and at least a 30% chance Monday, maybe a little higher. Gulf forecast, the beach forecast, Gulf shores to Panama City, highs in the mid to upper 80s, 20% chance of storms each day, random in nature, high around 84 as far as the water temperature goes, and the beach forecast calling for low rip current right now. Now, this is the European out 10 days. Look at the blue bars at the bottom, a few spotty thunderstorms over the weekend, better rain chances perhaps by the middle of this week, but the best rain chances by far next weekend, which could be wet and stormy. And notice how the temperature graph goes down, even here on the GFS. Now, ignore the temperatures at the beginning here, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. They're just crazy. But next weekend, middle 80s, maybe a wet and stormy weekend next weekend. So if you have plans for next weekend, just a heads up that we could be looking at a far different scenario. Hey, take it easy this weekend. Wear your sunscreen, stay hydrated in this heat, and not just you. Don't forget your pets. Make sure they're hydrated and they have plenty of shelter to go to, right? Bailey, you're a pampered dog. You're an air conditioner dog, right? Anyway, hope you have a great weekend. There'll be weather posts throughout the weekend on Facebook and Twitter, of course. And your next complete video will be online Monday morning at 5 o'clock. I'll be live on the radio this morning at 6 o'clock on News Talk 93.1, also on KISS FM and Bama Country, and I'll be live from the Blue Water Weather Center at 11 o'clock at RichThomasWeatherNetwork.com. Have a great weekend. Try to avoid the heat as much as possible, and I'll see you later. Bye.
Rich Thomas Weather.